Next class, reptilia. In Latin, rectum or raper means to creep or crawl. In Latin, reptilia means creep or crawling. These organisms are creeping and crawling organisms. Creeping or crawling organisms. Reptiles are derived from labyrinthodon. Labyrinthodont amphibians. Labyrinthodont amphibians in Carboniferous period. Carboniferous period. The golden age of reptiles are Mesozoic era. Mesozoic era is golden age. Golden age of reptiles. Reptiles are origin from labyrinthodont amphibians in Carboniferous period. The golden age of reptiles is Mesozoic era. Body. General characters of reptiles. Body is divided into 4 regions: head, trunk, neck, tail. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Body is covered by scales, dry, rough. Body is covered by skin. Skin is covered by scales. Skin is dry and rough. Skin is rough and dry, covered by scales. Dry skin helps for the prevention of loss of water. Dry skin helps for the prevent the loss of water. Next, skeleton. Exoskeleton. Body is covered by horny scales, shields and claws. Exoskeleton. Body is covered by horny scales or shields. Next, pentadactylic limbs. Limbs has claws. Pentadactylic limbs are present. These pentadactyls are pentadactylic limbs. Dactyls has claws. These are claws. First class appears in the reptiles. Class first appears in reptiles. Next, endoskeleton. Skull is monocondylic skull. In amphibians, dicondylic skull is present. Skull is monocondylic. It means single condyle. This is skull, this is condyle. Single condyle is present, so skull is monocondylic. Next, temporal fossa. temporal fossa is present in the skull. This is skull. This is temporal region, temporal bone. Temporal bone has a depression. This is temporal bone. Temporal bone has a, this is temporal bone. Temporal bone has a depression. This is called temporal fossa. This helps for the attachment of jaw muscles. Attachment of jaw muscles. This is temporal fossa. Temporal fossa first appears in reptiles. Next, lower jaw. Lower jaw is formed by fusion of 6 bones. Fusion of 6 bones. Next, ribs. Ribs are single-headed. Single-headed ribs. Single-headed ribs. Except in crocodiles. In crocodiles, bicephalic ribs. Bicephalic ribs. It means it is rib has 2 heads. These are called bicephalic ribs. Bicephalic ribs. In reptiles, generally ribs are single-headed ribs. Single-headed ribs. Next, ribs are attached with sternum. Ribs are first attached with sternum in reptiles. Ribs are first appeared in fishes. Sternum is first appeared in amphibians. Ribs are attached with sternum first in reptiles. Important. Ribs are attached with sternum in reptiles. It helps for the protection of internal organs. It forms a rib cage. Rib cage helps for the protection of internal delicate organs. Cervical vertebrae. This is cervical vertebrae. Cervical vertebrae has first cervical vertebrae is atlas. Second cervical vertebrae is axis. This is first cervical vertebrae. First cervical vertebrae is atlas. Second cervical vertebrae is axis. These vertebrae, cervical vertebrae helps for the independent movement of the head. Independent movement of the head. Next, vertebrae. Vertebrae are procellus vertebrae. Procellus vertebrae. It means centrum or disc or body. The anterior part of the disc is concave shape. Concave shape. This vertebrae is called procellus vertebrae. Next, digestive system. Dentition is acrodont, polyphyodont and a homodont. Homodont. In chelonia, teeth are absent. Teeth are absent in chelonia. Chelonia means chelonia. Order chelonia contains turtles. Next, respiratory system. Pulmonary respiration, lung respiration. Pulmonary respiration. Pulmonary means lung. Lungs involved in the breathing, exchange of gases. Ribs. Intercostal muscles. Ribs and intercostal muscles helps for the breathing mechanism. Intercostal. Costal means rib. Costal means rib. These are rib muscles. Ribs and intercostal muscles helps for the exchange of gases. Next, in cloaca, in chelonia or turtles, in turtles, the respiratory organ is vascular cloaca. Vascular cloaca. In turtles, the respiration through vascular cloaca. Cloaca has many blood supply. So, respiration, exchange of gases through cloaca. Next, circulatory system. Circulatory system has, heart has three-chambered. Three-chambered heart is present in reptiles except crocodiles. Important. In crocodiles, four-chambered heart. Generally, reptiles has three-chambered heart, except crocodiles. Crocodiles has four-chambered heart. In crocodiles, dentition is thecodont. Generally, reptiles has acrodont. Acrodont means teeth arranged on the, attached on the jawbone. In crocodiles, teeth are arranged in the, these are sockets. Sockets. Teeth arranged in the sockets of jawbone. Sockets of jawbone. These are sockets. Sockets. These are sockets. Teeth are arranged in the sockets of jawbone. In acrodont, teeth arranged on the, attached on the jawbone. Thecodont dentition present in the crocodiles. Sinus venosus is present, but conus arteriosus. Conus arteriosus is absent. Sinus venosus is present, conus arteriosus is absent. Blood cells RBC has nucleated RBC. Nucleated RBC present in reptiles. Next, nervous system. Next, excretory system. Excretory organs are metanephric kidney, metanephric kidney. These are uricotelic organisms. Uricotelic organisms means these excrete uric acid. Ammonotelic organisms excrete nitrogenous waste as ammonia. Ureotelic organisms excrete urea. Uricotelic organisms excrete uric acid. Next, this cloaca. Cloaca has three chambers. Cloaca has three chambers. These are anterior, Cloaca has three chambers. These are anterior coprodium, middle urodium, posterior region proctodium. Cloaca is a common passage of digested waste material, reproductive organ, common passage for gametes, digestive waste and excretory substance. These three are eliminated through the common passage called cloaca. Cloaca has three chambers. Next, nervous system. 12 pairs of cranial nerves. 12 pairs of cranial nerves. 12 pairs of cranial nerves present in reptiles except in snakes. Except in snakes. Snakes has 10 pairs of cranial nerves. 10 pairs of cranial nerves present in snakes, amphibians and fishes. In reptiles, 12 pairs of cranial nerves are present. Jacobson organ. Jacobson organ present in lizard and snakes. Jacobson organ important. Jacobson's organ present in lizards and snakes. It is the olfactory sense organ. Olfactory sense organ. Highly developed in lizards and snakes. Next, they do not have external ear openings. Tympanum act as ear. Next, each ear has single ear ossicle called columella. Each middle ear has single ear ossicle. It is called columella oris. Next, reproductive system. Penis is present except rhynchocephalia. Except in rhynchocephalia. In rhynchocephalia, penis is absent. Fertilization is internal. Reptiles are mostly oviparous. Eggs are megalithial and cladoid eggs. Megalithial and cladoid eggs. And the cleavage pattern. Cleavage is neuroblastic and discoidal. Eggs are megalithial eggs and cladoid eggs. Megalithial means yolk content. This is it. Yolk content. More yolk is present in the egg. These eggs are called megalecithal. Lecithal means yolk. Egg is morely occupied with yolk. So these eggs are called megalecithal eggs. Next, cladoid egg. Cladoid means shell. This is shell. Egg is covered by porous calcium carbonate shell. Porous calcium carbonate shell. Porous means pores. Pores are present on the shell. Porous calcium carbonate shell is present in the reptiles. Pores helps for the exchange of gases. Pores helps for the exchange of gases. It is impermeable to water. Eggshell is impermeable to water but permeable to gases. Next, eggshell, megalisthum. Next, cleavage. Cleavage is meroblastic. We also discussed about holoblastic. Holo means entire cell, entire egg is divided. But meroblastic is partial cleavage. Mero means partial cleavage of egg. This cleavage is disc shape. This cleavage is disc shaped cleavage. So cleavage is called discoidal cleavage and meroblastic cleavage. Partial cleavage and shape is discoidal shape. So cleavage pattern is meroblastic and discoidal shape. Next, development is direct development. Development is direct development. And embryo is covered by 4 extra embryonic layers. Embryo is covered by 4 extra embryonic layers. These are amnion, chorion, allantois and yolk sac. These are extra embryonic membranes. Extra embryonic membranes, amnion, chorion, allantois and yolk sac. Extra embryonic membranes and porous membrane, porous eggshell helps for the individual development of the embryo. Individual development of the embryo. Extra embryonic membranes and porous egg membrane or porous egg shell helps for the individual development of the embryo. Next, amnion. Amnion is a fluid. Amnion is fluid that surrounds the embryo. It indicates the ancestors of reptiles are aquatic organisms. It means aquatic organisms present in the embryo of aquatic organisms present in the water. So these ancestors, reptiles ancestors are aquatic organisms. This is indicated by presence of amnion. Amnion, this is embryo. Embryo is surrounded by amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid. It prevents the dry of embryo. It prevents the dry of embryo. Embryo surrounded by fluid, water-like fluid, amnion, indicates the reptiles ancestors are aquatic organisms. So these organisms are amniotic organisms. Amniotic organisms are based on the amnion. Organisms are 2 types: amniotic organisms, anamniotic organisms. Anamniotic organisms are fishes and amphibians. Amniotes and anamniotes. Amniotic organisms. Which organisms contain amnion is called amniotes. Which organisms does not contain amnion is called anamniotes. Anamniotes. Anamniotes are fishes and amphibians. Fishes and amphibians. Next, reptile classification. Class Reptilia has 4 orders. These are orders. 4 orders. These are Chelonia, Rhynchocephalia, Crocodilia and Squamata. Chelonia, Crocodilia, Rhynchocephalia and Squamata. First, Chelonia. Chelonia contains examples of Chelonia. Chelone, commonly called turtles. Testudo, tortoise. Trionyx, terrapins. Chelone are marine organisms. These are marine organisms. Testudo are terrestrial, land organisms. Trionyx, these are freshwater organisms. Chelone, commonly called turtles. These are marine organisms. Testudo, commonly called land tortoise. Trionyx, these are terrapins, freshwater organisms. Next, Rhynchocephalia. Example, Spinodon, important. This is living fossil. Living fossil. This is endemic organism. Endemic means only present in some areas, only present in some countries. Rhynchocephalia. Example, Spinodon. Spinodon is a living fossil. It is an endemic species. It is present only in New Zealand. Kangaroo is endemic species. It is present in Australia. Spinodon is living fossil and it is endemic. It is present only in New Zealand. Next, Crocodilia. Crocodilus, commonly called crocodile or magur. Next, alligator, commonly called alligator. Next, Gravialis. Gangsticus. It is Indian gavial, commonly called Indian gavial. Next, Squamata. Order Squamata contains lizard and snakes. Lizards are Hemidactylus. Commonly called wall lizard. Scientific name of wall lizard is Hemidactylus. And chameleon, tree lizard. Next, Draco, flying lizard. Next, snakes. Snakes are 2 types, poisonous snakes, non-poisonous snakes. Poisonous snakes, Naza means cobra. Ophiophagus, commonly called king cobra. Next, Bangaras, crate. Next, viper. Russell's viper means chain viper, Raktapinjal. In poisonous snake, maxillary teeth modified to form fang. Maxillary teeth modified to form fang. Fangs are formed by modification of maxillary teeth. These are the poisonous thing. Next, non-poisonous snakes. Tyas, rat snakes. Lizard and snakes shed their scaly skin as skin cast. Lizard and snakes are shed their scaly skins as skin cast. Reptiles are first true terrestrial organisms. Some adaptations present in reptiles for the successful life on the land. These are cladoicaque shell present on the egg. Dry scaly skin and pentadactylic limb with clawed digits. Pentadactylic limb with clawed digits. And internal fertilization. These adaptations helps for the successful life on the land.